There have been studies looking at the effects of cannabis on young brains and separate studies looking at the effects of alcohol.
But now there's a new study looking at the impact of the two together on young people with legal access to both. CTV's health reporter Pauline Chan has those details.
Studies looking at alcohol use with marijuana have been done before, but mostly in the U.S. when cannabis was illegal. But the study by Jeffrey Wardell looks at Canada after marijuana was legalized.
We were going to do it in a legal environment to see, what did this look like? What does this look like now that young people can access it?
Recent figures show 50% of Canadians aged 19 to 25 use marijuana to some degree, and Wardell's study focused on the motivations behind using pot and alcohol, particularly together.
And we know that when you use two drugs together, they can have interactions. And so we were interested in understanding that.
In a new technique, the 150 participants used an app during 3 periods over the course of a year to accurately record when and how they used the two substances. They found that young people tended to use both substances during times of stress or negative emotions.
The reason they give is because it gives them a more intense high. They're trying to really avoid those emotions, and combining the two drugs produces more intense subjective effects.
But in doing that, Wardell says there was also a higher risk of other health dangers.
Greater risk for dependence or substance use disorder developing over time if you combine drugs, as well as other mental health outcomes. So being at greater risk for worsening depression, worsening anxiety.
Wardell has advice at a time when young people are beginning the college term or undergoing other stressful new situations.
Just be mindful that this isn't probably a good strategy, that even though maybe in the immediate term using cannabis and alcohol or combining the two especially might make you feel better.
He says employ good judgment in your substance use and seek other ways like exercise or talking to others to alleviate stress. Pauline Chan, CTV News.